Established in year 2004, Shenzhen Goowell Electronics Corporation Ltd. is a professional manufacturer of inbound and outbound connection cables and connectors. Our factory area is more than 5,000 square meters, and we have more than 400 employees. Our daily production capacity is hundreds of thousands of terminal cables, cell phone data cables, and various wire harnesses. From the very beginning of our company, we have passed the ISO 9001 certification and obtained the National High-Tech Enterprise certification. In 2001, we were awarded as an excellent enterprise. In 2008, our company was awarded as Gold Supplier. Our main business is divided into two parts. One is cell phone data cable, and the other is various terminal cables and harnesses. Among them, cell phone data cable is mainly OEM. After 15 years of development and technology accumulation, we have established our own brand and built up a stable and solid foundation. Our products, first of all, are based on quality. Our quality department strictly controls every production process to ensure that every product is 100% tested and no defective electronic products is left untouched. We have a team of experienced engineers to provide you with the most professional solutions and services until you are satisfied. Quality first and on-time delivery are the goals of our company has been pursuing for years, and quality products and reliable suppliers are the beginning of your success. Give us a chance and let's make big money together.